Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Tkinter Text widget. It allows us to implement multicolor text, hyperlink style, clickable text, and more. It cannot bound to a Tkinter string variable, unlike other widgets. We can set or retrieve its content by using its method get, insert, and delete. Let's see how to use it. First, I'm going to import Tkinter as tk. And now I'm going to create the instance GUI. I will name it and set to tk. And now going to create the widget and save the reference. Text widget and use Tkinter Text to create our text widget and pass in our GUI. Now I'm going to insert a string at the beginning of our text widget. So it's gonna be text widget at start. Hello world text. And now I'm going to use this function pack. Here it requires a function insert to insert this text to our widget. Insert. And now I'm going to use text widget pack method. Text widget dot pack. And now I'm going to start our GUI by using GUI dot main loop. It's main loop, not mail, so need to remove L. Just need to save our program and run. And when we run our program, we can see the text over here in our text widget, hello world text. So this way you can use a text widget of Tkinter in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.